Oh God, here Jody goes again with another macro mode video on his cell phone. So I got this HP with a destroyed, and boy, do I mean destroyed, DC jack. So, I got a part, and it's fairly obvious the part is not destroyed. However, the part does not fit into this connector here. Why not? I'll show you why not. Because here's the original. Right? See the original? Okay, now let me show you the replacement and the original. Alright, here's the original and the replacement. You notice something? There's a couple tabs there that aren't on the other one. Now, the wiring, you can see it's mirrored, obviously, but the wiring is correct. Honestly, the connector looks the same. It's just one has tabs and the other does not. So we're going to take a utility knife and shear these little tabs off, and everything will probably be okay. And if it's not, it's nothing that a little bit of tape can't fix. The Wi-Fi card's loose, just so that I could check this out more carefully. But yeah, sometimes you order a part and it's not quite right, and you got to jerry-rig it a bit. But that's what we do as computer repair guys. Make it work. Thought you might be interested. Oh, this sucks.